Excuse me, can I have the check, please?
Of course, just a moment. All right, that will be $12, please.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
Sure, you can insert or tap your card here.
It looks like my card isn't working.
Let me check the screen. It says the payment was declined.
Oh no, that's strange. It usually works.
No worries. Sometimes the machine has trouble reading cards. Would you like to try one more time?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
It still didn't work. I'm sorry about that.
That's okay. It happens sometimes.
I don't have enough cash with me right now.
That's not a problem. There's an ATM just around the corner, very close to the cafe.
That's great. I'll go get some cash and come right back.
Take your time. I'll keep your check here.
Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome. I'll see you in a few minutes.
I'll be right back.
No problem at all.